BTBT is the ticker. Bit Digital Incorporated is the company. RSI as well as MACD on the chart as well. This is probably the ugliest chart that you're going to see in cryptocurrency right now. And the only reason it looks this way is because I believe many people just don't know about this company. They just don't know about it. Riot Blockchain had, a huge press bonanza about 2 years ago during the first run up, or I would call it the mass run up event in Bitcoin, which put the cryptocurrency on the map with many, I would say, part-time traders. BTBT is a company that just showed up this year through, I want to say it was a reverse merger. Someone I'm sure will correct me about that. But if I believe correctly, it was a reverse merger. And they haven't really been in business for a very long time. But for as long as they've been public, they have generated a very, very impressive company. And what you're seeing on the website, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up, is some very impressive statistics, folks. For a company that's really only been in business for less than 12 months, they've got already 40,000 miners at work. And by the way, generating more Bitcoin per month than Riot Blockchain. Trading at a market cap a quarter of the size of Riot Blockchain. They've already generated over 1,300 Bitcoin. Right now, generating well over 200 Bitcoin a month. Again, go to the website. You can see all of this there. They just commenced again in February of 2020. Growing their operations here in the U.S. This is a Chinese operation, but they have been growing stateside, and they're going to be continuing to do so per press releases that I've been reading about the company. They've sold off previous businesses that were related to prior operations. This is a Bitcoin-focused company. You will read something about a car rental business. I'm not too familiar with that. I think that is something they're trying to do on the side. Think of it more as a Turo type of thing, not necessarily like they're going to just, be starting out stores and kind of like, not an enterprise rent-a-car here. It's more of a Turo type thing from what I read on previous press releases. But again, for what Bit Digital has been doing, I'm very, very impressed. And I believe that the stock should be trading at a significantly higher valuation than it is right now. Significantly higher. I'm excited about this stock because I feel like, unlike many of the other ones, including Mara and Riot Blockchain, I'm a little bit early to the party. I have had people DM me about MGTI, but that operation is just so small. I mean, I don't know what more you can kind of get out of that. MGTI has been completely blown out the water in terms of just size of the operation. We're talking 1,500 miners, 40,000 miners. They're not even on the same level. Not even on the same level. So BTBT has more miners than Riot Blockchain right now, but again, trading at a fraction of the market cap of Riot Blockchain. Let's get this up. BTBT, start talking about it. Get in there, start talking about it. And once people start to learn more about BTBT, and you being in the stock as well, you're going to get more shareholders. We're going to blow through whatever resistance supply is kind of keeping us low here, and we're going to be off and running. We're going to be off and running to much higher levels. One of the things that you've got to do as a trader is when you're in a stock, you need to tell people about the stock. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm not ashamed of it. I've been doing that for 3 years on this channel. I'm in BTBT aggressively. I'm asking you to get in aggressively and tell people you know about BTBT. Because as the price of Bitcoin continues to rise and the value for each Bitcoin continues to rise, BTBT will become a much more valuable company. And that's an opportunity for you to generate a serious return for your trading account. Again, follow the news. This is a company that puts out news regularly, and they do a very good job of it, trading on the larger exchange, a NASDAQ exchange to be exact. So whether you're on Robinhood or any of the other discount brokers, you can take advantage of this right now. But we got to get this liquidity up. All right, it's got solid volume as it is right now, but we got to increase that. We got to go to 6 to 10. You know what I mean? But this is a very exciting stock. I'd love to see where this is trading at this time next year. Again, they don't have options available right now in BTBT. It's pure stock. I know, some guys don't like that because, it's cash inefficient. But look, if you don't have a lot of capital, $10 a week, $100 a week, if you can do it, $1,000 a month. If you believe that Bitcoin is the real deal, if you believe the trajectory of what the Bitcoin maximalists are saying about, 100,000, 200,000, 2022, 2023, then you need to be in BTBT now, while it's trading at the market cap it's trading at right now. Again, this is the ugliest cryptocurrency chart you'll probably see in the world right now. And again, the only reason it looks this way is because people don't know about it. That's it. I'm not even concerned about the short-term time frame here. That's why I'm pulling up the monthly chart, because I've been in the game long enough to tell you that BTBT is just one of those, you just got to set it and forget it. But you're going to be very, very impressed if Bitcoin continues to do what it's doing, if the large investors continue to eat up every Bitcoin that's produced, and the price continues to rise. And when the market finds BTBT, you will be greatly, massively rewarded. It's your boy Sal. Tomorrow's another trading day. Until then, trade well.